Welcome, welcome. It's another installment of our ongoing mixology series here at Alley 26. We're going to do an alcohol-free cocktail now we're calling Last Flight Out. Alcohol-free cocktails, as it turns out, require the same things that regular cocktails require. Not the booze, balance of flavors. Like good, delicious ingredients, you put in a glass, you can make something good. So we are using in this segment a couple of our new products. We have a Lemongrass Syrup and a Lemongrass Shrub. The Lemongrass Syrup is just lemongrass, sugar, and water, and the Shrub is lemongrass, sugar, and vinegar. So these are both concentrates. You'll sometimes hear the word shrub refer to a composed beverage that's ready to drink. This is not that. This is closer to really powerful vinegar. So use a little bit in your drink and it goes a long way. So we're going to make this with a 1/4 ounce of our Lemongrass Simple and there, a 1/2 ounce, of our Lemongrass Shrub. Now I just got through telling you what you needed was balance, and here I am having to use twice as much shrub or the sour as the sweet. Now why would I do that? Because most of the volume of this drink is going to be coconut water, which has enough sweetness already. So we're kind of trying to balance that out. So there's 1, 2, and 3 ounces of coconut water. Get ourselves a glass. Give it a nice good shake. Now typically, you'll see non-alcoholic drinks served in Collins glasses or in water glasses or whatever. We're going to put this one up because it should have a complexity of flavor that's interesting, like a drink that normally has alcohol in it. And sometimes when you're by yourself, but sometimes when you're in the company of others and everyone's drinking, but you don't want to have alcohol, you want something that looks and represents the same way as everybody else's drink does, so people aren't asking you the whole night why you're not drinking. So I'm going to taste this guy real quick. Oh, yeah, that's delicious. Rub that on the rim a bit, and then just right there, garnish that with a little lemongrass. Last Flight Out.